Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For one of the most popular couples of Turkish television, a small event turned into a big crisis. Let's dive into the details of what happened between Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş that will cause almost separation. Yağmur and Peace have been ups and downs, but the last events show that their relations are on the verge of bending. The discussion began with an innocent moving flower. According to sources, Peace received this gang from a woman fans. Rain, who politely accepted this, then saw a photo taken with flowers in his hand. This situation upset him. The fact that the fans realized that he had removed the piece on social media led to rumors that the relationship was in serious trouble. What worsened things was the silence of Peace. Instead of addressing the issue, how many of the questions fueling speculation about Rain? Those who come from the inside claim that the Rain confronts it, and this leads to a heated debate. However, something unexpected happened when fans thought that love stories were over. Peace is tested in difficult times by making a friendly sharing. Ours will last forever. This statement assured fans that their relationship could still be hopeful.